I may announce to my listeners say it's so unfortunate and not paying. Now, there's been a very, very brutal and a serious confrontation our studio. Tempers are flare more than high. Emma, we have to suspend the discussion with Zuba and
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Senior Che Brobe. It's very unfortunate. I mean, we are twasso with their discussion. It will be a very, I will not use the word bloody, but it will be a brutal confrontation. And I'm forced to suspend all more discussions. Say they need to, we know exactly what's the problem, but all what started as a normal friendly discussion, it became so confrontational and uncontrollably so escalated situation, tempest more than high. In fact, a very more than bizarre, but a serious cacophonious situation. We are not in, and I'm forced to end the discussion with them. Evans,
how Kofi, and you see,
so bad.
Well, so bad, but I think one of those things.
I didn't expect them to say
elections immediate.
Madam Fubi sent them a message. Say, Kofi, you have done a great disservice to us this morning. You should have allowed them fight for us to see. We are me and Ambabi di matem. Se Kofi Asante ya preprijemu.
Your footages no. Kakano we are top of magic.
No, we say Kofi.
But so JB, I think it was an unfortunate situation.
Kofi, Enra, similar thing happened.
Yes.
Enra Century, similar thing happened.
Yes.
And then there's also similar thing. I don't know what is going on. Edward said, "Enemy."
So he nearly assaulted.
Yes, I mean, which is very unfortunate. And then there's also a verbal, abuse on each other. It's very unfortunate. I don't know the level of minim idea about politics in Musisia. As you see, an aqua confrontation. I mean, say NDC, you say NPP, you say CPP, you say any other political party. I think that they should be called to order. Their various heads should be calling them to order. And
be more tolerant.
Exactly, because Kofi, it is democracy we are practicing.
And baby, I do know ideas, not strength.
I have what do you call it? Me war a server maker. Bring your superior ideas and let's talk about it.
Roll over what happened. The words were so bad.
For the words you can't use them.
I can show on the video as a, but not terrible.
Exactly.
Zuba, I don't know Zuba for this.
Bring your superior ideas and let's talk.
Yes.
Wow. Why did the GhanAkoma too confrontational? Then it means that you're not ready to discuss anything. National discourse. And this is so fortunate, very, very unfortunate. And if you see things like this, Kofi, it is not good for democracy.
See, this moment, they do, and I just say, JB know how to come in. Now, I'm control Zuba and Senior Che Brobe.
And Kofi, fortunately enough,
yes.
Zuba has been the former MC.
Yes. And this is a senior lecturer. And
so these are level-headed people.
Decorum,
these are level-headed
people. At least expected
and that is very, very unfortunate.
First time on show. I think
that is the third time. Now can never be the third time.
Yes.
Very, very unfortunate.
I very unfortunate. Have a very serious respect for the two.
Very, very unfortunate.
Unfortunately, now and if I'm a missing because I least expected this from them. And as a over the period, Kofi Asante as a man for Budina, Kofi Nano Oma, Fire Mapon Kone or Chama Boaji the late.
Oh, and Onipenia.
Nano Oma Unipenia ne Alaj Miami Wafa. I ne Miami Wafa Krano. But I think that these are big men. I expected them to have known better. But
for them, they know better.
It's so bad.
They know better. But
so bad. After all, the politics are calling. And for Monfancheme.
Kofi, but I think say as a result of the mere discussion we were having on and off air.
Oh, but
nanu asem.
Nanu bi asem.
Oh, Kofi nanu asem. Nanu asem.
Zuba so ne senior.
Kofi nanu asem.
These are two big gentlemen. I seriously cherish omunyina submission. They are so energetic in terms of submission.
Nanu asem Kofi nanu asem.
Edu de edu no na for mempe ni mobiem Kofi Asante agi ni mododo to do baby na I needed to.
Oh goodness.
But
so there should be tolerance. I mean,
so
maybe a